Hey guys, wanna know how to add memes to your reels inside the Instagram? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial, and now let's get started. First off, open Instagram on your device and now just tap on this plus icon at the bottom center to start the creation of your reel. Now select the reel option at the bottom tab and then select the media that you want to be used for your reel content. So when selected, just click on that next button at the bottom right, and now you will see a lot of options right there at the bottom tab. Just select that sticker icon right here and now use the search field at the top to search for memes. Now here just select the meme that you would like to use on this reel. You can adjust it by size or even on the rotation right here. So now when ready, you can add some music, you can add some text, but anyways, just click next at the bottom right. You can also add any caption or a hashtag, but anyways, when ready, just click that share button at the bottom right. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.